Is that, okay, cool, it's recording. Cool, so here we go. Now this distribution gets a little trickier, but it ain't too bad. Let's do it step by step before we do the ICC. Yeah, you know me. So let's see here. First step, negative 6g minus 3. There's no operations or anything, so I can just drop the parentheses, get negative 6g minus 3. Now, before you do anything, so I know what you really want to do is distribute a negative 2/4 to all these things and get some fractions. What I would do is I would just take a breath and see that you can reduce 2/4. So let's do that. 2/4 can be reduced to 1/2. And just feel free to rewrite the problem. This ain't a race. Take your time. Then rewrite the problem again. And now you can distribute. We have a minus 1/2 that we're distributing. So we do minus 1/2 times 6g, or 6 over 1g. Then do a minus 1/2 times 10. Okay? So plus negative 1/2 times 10 over 1. Okay, so we got lots of double signs, we got lots of multiplication, lots of fractions, but just stay with me, you'll be okay. Let's look. This is minus 6 over 2. Oh, but that can reduce. Divide everything by 2 and you just get a 3. Then g plus negative 1/2 times 10. Well, that would be negative 10/2. And that simplifies down to 5. So that's a plus negative 5. Oh, that's looking a lot better. I feel better about myself now. Now, we got the I, C, yeah, you know me. First step, identify. Negative 6g goes with a minus 3g. Minus 3 goes with a plus negative 5. You have now been identified. Now let's collect. Negative 6g minus 3g. And then minus 3 plus negative 5. Now they're collected. Now let's combine them. Negative 6g minus 3g is negative 9g. Negative 3 plus negative 5 is a plus negative 8, or just a minus 8. Good work. Okay, so now I'm switching it up a little bit. This time our math is at the front. That's cool. Can't drop that parentheses because we have a 1/2 times in it. So let's do 1/2 times negative 6a and 1/2 times 2. So 1/2 times negative 6 over 1a plus 1/2 times 2. Well, that would be negative 6/2, which I know simplifies to negative 3. And half of 2 is just a 1. Now I can bring down the rest. Okay. Now remember, you down with the I, C. Yeah, you know me. First step, identify. Negative 3a plus 8a. Then a plus 1 and a minus 4. Now let's collect. Negative 3a plus 8a goes together. And then a 1 minus 4 also goes together. Now I combine. Negative 3a plus 8a is 5a. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay? There we go. That's my answer. Good work. Ooh.